What do you think e-commerce companies can do to help themselves grow and succeed right now?
So yeah, it's very interesting times, right, for e-commerce companies. They've, usually any company would be very excited with what's happening. Even though the pandemic has been a problem for a lot of industries, but e-commerce is thriving,
Right.
and they've kind of doubled. The revenue from e-commerce has doubled in just 3 months, right? So it basically was about 13% of entire retail. Today it's at 30%. Now that kind of growth, of course, usually is something companies just dream of. But what's happening is, because most of the e-commerce companies weren't prepared to handle it, because there was no expectation, most of them are struggling to fulfill that demand. So at this stage, what I would suggest to any e-commerce company, I think there are three main areas where AI can quickly help them get to a point where they can handle this level of demand. The first is, of course, their catalog itself. It's amazing how neglected this can be in most e-commerce companies. But what a lot of people don't realize is the biggest reason for Amazon's success is the structure of their catalog. And primarily, the reason they started with books is because the data was already structured.
Right.
If consumers are not easily able to find the products online, they are very likely to just open another tab and go away and never come back. So the first place is having a process of some sort of automated process for item data onboarding, and AI can definitely be of value there. The second very important step is, a lot of companies also don't realize that, and they've been selling in physical stores for a very long time, and they've been successful there. But e-commerce is very different. E-commerce requires, and because it's a platform that does not necessarily have a physical limitation, usually companies have 10x or more products that they sell online as compared to their physical stores. So knowing which products will do well, what that assortment should look like, should be the second most important thing they should look into. And again, AI is very valuable there in identifying products that consumers expect from a specific e-commerce site. And then the third is, of course, fulfillment, right? You have Unless you update your fulfillment capacity right away, you may start getting orders. A lot of companies we interact with have increased their demand by 200 to 300%,
Oh,
and they're just not able to ship these at all. It takes them 3 months, 4 months. If you order something today, you're going to get it in October. It's just not something customers are going to be happy with. And again, an area where they need to rapidly improve their processes.
okay.
I would say these three areas. There are many others, but if they can sort these three out, they should be able to compete with most of the larger companies out there.
Okay, thanks.